know we did. We did. I'm like, is there
It can't hurt to remind them, though.
Guys,
And
I feel like this is an important moment for us all to remember who we are. Despite the distance of this pandemic, my friends, we are the school of HONK! And friends, we are indeed, even when we are not playing together, we are a radically inclusive and we are also in all ages, all levels, music school. And that means that you, you are in our band, in our hearts, even when we are not playing together, you guys. Like, that is what I have to say about that. Wait, what else do you normally say?
Website.
Wait, you know what, Jeff? That's a great question, and I'm going to let my friend Caleb answer it.
Don't worry, Jeff. Don't worry at all. We have plenty of instruments to loan you post-pandemic.
Any other questions?
What if I don't know how to play an instrument?
Kunle, let me tell you what. We have some easy, powerfully fun parts that all of us can play together even when we haven't practiced for 7 months.
Wow!
Well, guys, we've got one more song for you/us, and that is one of our very favorite songs to close on. It's a song that I basically can't play because I almost always dance it. It's gonna be great. Get your wings ready, guys. Classic end of set. This is Blackbird Special.